All right. It has been about 2 weeks now. As you saw earlier, I had a car wash. I had a couple of car washes with no problems. This is how we looking right now. Let's see. Everything looking good still. Oops, there you go. Everything looking good. Everything is still the way it should be. So that's good. Those 4 screws at the bottom really do help. Looking pretty good. I like the carbon fiber setup mainly because I got carbon fiber on my decals. Only problem is when I take the car to the car wash, it bends my license plate all the time. I have to like bend it back. But besides that, pretty good. Would definitely recommend it. Link is in the description for the spoiler.